Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Grinnell, local and long distance movers near me. Some of the advantages of choosing 3 Movers local distance services include professionalism. From our staff to the equipment and processes, 3 Movers consistently exhibits professionalism in relocation processes. Proper planning and execution. Inadequate planning before moving usually causes damage and loss of belongings. At 3 Movers, we pack your belongings in groups and load them appropriately. This process eliminates almost all forms of risk that can damage your items. Local experience and expertise. All Grinnell, Iowa movers at 3 Movers have an understanding of the city. They know the best and safest neighborhoods to pass and the quickest routes to your destination. If you want, we can even provide recommendations on the coolest spots around the city. Some of the features of 3 Movers long distance services include professional equipment. Regardless of any type and amount of belongings you plan to move, 3 Movers will provide you with all the necessary equipment. We offer trucks of different sizes, packing boxes, and moving blankets to ensure a seamless transit. Legal documents and certifications. Whether moving from Grinnell to another city in Iowa or moving out of the state, you need legal documents, licenses, and certifications. 3 Movers in Grinnell have all the qualifications so you can avoid unexpected stops and delays during the move. Movement tracker. If you're busy and you don't have time to be physically present to supervise the move, 3 Movers offers a tracking system to help you know the location of your belongings at each time. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Grinnell moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.